In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable iMessages on iCloud. This is a quick and simple process that will take you just a few minutes, making it easy to have your messages synced across all your Apple devices or kept only on your current device depending on your preference. To begin this process, we'll start by opening the Settings app on your iOS device. The Settings app is your gateway to managing your device preferences and personalizing your Apple experience. Once you're in the app, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see your Apple ID information. This section typically displays your name, and tapping on it will take you to a menu where you can access all the features associated with your Apple ID. Now that you've entered the Apple ID section, you will see various options like password and security, payment and shipping, and more. For our purpose, tap on the iCloud option in this list. This area is crucial as it allows you to manage what data is stored in the cloud and how your devices interact with iCloud. Once you're in the iCloud settings, scroll down until you find the Messages option. This step lets you decide whether you want your text messages and iMessages to be saved in iCloud. Tap on Messages to proceed to the final step of this process. Now you'll see a toggle switch for Messages. This switch is where you control the synchronization of your messages with iCloud. By default, the toggle may be off if you haven't set it up before. If you wish to enable iMessage on iCloud, simply flip the switch to turn it on. Enabling this will ensure that your messages are automatically synchronized and stored across all your Apple devices that are logged in with the same Apple ID. This means whether you switch from your iPhone to your iPad or Mac, your conversations will seamlessly follow you, staying perfectly in sync. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep your messages stored only on the current device you're using and not on iCloud, you can disable this feature by turning the switch off. When you do this, your messages will not sync across devices, giving you a bit more privacy. There you have it. You now know how to enable or disable iMessages on iCloud. Remember, enabling iMessages on iCloud not only helps keep everything neatly organized, but also frees up space on your device since the conversations are stored in the cloud. Whether your priority is convenience or privacy, it's great to have the option tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your iMessage settings on iCloud. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.